This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Yo. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. We have audio. It's official. Let me fix the charts. Let me get that. I was running my someone had a special request and wanted me to run the EA. What's it called? The bot. All night. So I did. Now let's get it small again. And I don't know why it moved, but it likes to do those things. Let's just do a little bit of setup. Give me a sec. We'll take a quick look at the markets. Once that's done. Yes, Sparky, I hear you. Really? Edit. Undo. Why are the cameras off? Anybody know? That's why. There we go. Cameras are on. We're getting there. Just got to fix the look of the Renko chart. Edit. Undo. And shrink it. Put it onto the Trade Saber. Okay, we're good. Let's take a look and see what we see. We see Skeletor got in giveaway before the stream started. He gets 2 balls. Dealer is sleeping. Wake up. And we got Omnius giveaway. That's it. So Skeletor and Omnius get 2 balls. Perfect. Let's make a note of that. Get my coffee warmer going. What day is it today? Today is Tuesday. Tuesday, guys. Today we're doing a podcast. Be quiet. Not you. Kitty cat always complaining. Doesn't get enough cookies. 1,000 cookies he gets in a day aren't enough. What do we got going? I'll throw you a bone. Give me a second. What time is it? 9:21. We still have 9 minutes. Don't worry. I don't need more than 9 minutes to do my pre-market analysis. Kiss. Keep it simple, stupid. Let's start off right away with the Asia session. Let's take a look at that. Interesting. I haven't had this in a while. We took out the Asia session is the gray box. I'll repeat myself every morning so you guys don't get lost. I checked to see if we took out each side, if we swept both sides of the Asia session. We swept the low, we swept the high. That means we have an 80% probability of sweeping the low again. That means we have an 80% probability of visiting 25,350 sometime during the day, the trading day, until 4 o'clock. So I marked that off. Okay, we'll keep that in mind. It's marked on the chart. This is another 30-minute chart. Let's just see if we see anything interesting. We can stretch this out. This is a quasi area, the whole area over here. Where did I say, why is that level not showing up? I want it to appear on every, this I don't need anymore. And we'll put up the Asia low. We'll make sure that line shows up on every chart. Where is that? All charts, there you go. Not crazy about the color. I'm sorry, I like lime green. I'm going to confuse it with the high of the day, but maybe I know what to do. I have a solution. We make the width larger. That way, we know it's a line that, and we don't make it dashes. We make it dash dot. Save as default. That way we can recognize it as a line that I put in. It's a dash dot line. It's a little fatter. It's yellow. We got that showing up. There it is now. Wow, look where it is. Interesting. Okay, we took out this level over here on the 30-minute. This was yesterday's. We'll check that out but we're not near the high of the previous day. The previous session's high was 25,542. We are going to watch carefully the pre-market level on the blue box there. And I should code something so that we can see the levels. But anyways, we know when it's broken. Let me take a sip of coffee. And is there anything else I need to do? Yes, there is. I don't even have my sorry. I'll give you a call in 2 seconds. Yeah, give me a minute. We still have 3 minutes. Okay, back up. Let's see if I can connect. Yesterday I couldn't connect to my Bullinox platform. Bullinox X. I was able to connect to daytraders.x. I find it so weird that one day one works and then the other day the other one doesn't work. They're both platform X. Wouldn't you figure if platform X was down, both daytraders.com and Bullinox would be out, but no, wasn't working that way. Okay, so what do I want to do? I want to set in a personal daily loss limit. I wasn't able to do that yesterday. What's a good amount? A good safe amount. I think we're going to go a little 300. I mean, if I lose 300 in a day, that's a pretty damn bad day. Action, liquidate and block, save. Lock risk settings for the day. Didn't I just click save? Enable trailing, no. Okay, it should say risk settings locked for the day, not lock risk setting. Ah, okay, yes, lock for today. Okay, they're locked. Perfect. You can't even touch it. You can't even change it. Omnius is in the house. Now, what do I want to trade here? 20 as an emergency is 40, 480, 120. Max 120, even 110, even 100. 100 is enough. Risk per trade. Automatically apply risk. Save settings. I don't even know to what account this was. Good morning, Omnius. Are you there? Hey, wow, look at you. You fit perfect. Oh, I don't hear you.
What happened, man? Check. Check. I think that fixed it. Huh.
Mic check, mic check.
I guess it was loose cable.
Yeah.
I moved my mic a little bit so on my camera. Don't know.
Mm.
Might have to adjust it. Market already open?
Fuck, hope not.
Just getting ready to go live, and
Shit, they're
a
open
friend of
for a
mine called
minute.
me.
I'm sorry, guys.
Trying to hurry up and go live and talk to him at the same time and everything else. What can you
Risk
do?
settings. Count. 100. Really?
Guys, good morning. Skeletor,
Save.
good morning. Twisted Trader, good morning.
300.
What else we got in the house?
Liquidate and block. Save. Lock risk settings for the day. Yes, lock. 103. Are we on the right account? I hope. Boy, they don't
Nah,
show
you're on the
you what
wrong
account
account.
You know what? That's a very, very bad thing with Project X. I do have to complain. They don't show you what account you're on. Okay, let's set it to a 3 lot. Wow, it's 2 minutes. I'm 2 minutes late. That's the 2-minute alarm.
2 minutes to midnight.
Did I miss anything? 416. Oh, it's a quiet day. I didn't really miss much. 416,000 volume. You guys know the drill. 400,000 is what we look for at the open. So it's a regular day, and the average range is only 13 right now, so nothing spectacular. Nothing spectacular. Markets look like they're trying to push up. Trying ever so hard, but the longer they try and they don't go, the more likely it is they're going to tumble. Just saying. Limit. Stop sell 3. Okay, let's get that in. Okay, first trade in. Cool. Have to get in a trade in the first 5 minutes. Otherwise, I might. I don't know what I might.
Trying to mess with the camera.
What else?
They do got the virtual camera on a Cyber Monday sale. I don't know. Maybe I need to go buy it so I don't have that logo in the way.
What is a virtual camera?
That one.
I have to look into it. Yeah, but you still need a lens to pick you up.
It removes the background and stuff. Had the Prism one.
I just
that one off might turn yours off.
Just want to bring to everybody's attention. We just swept the. I'll give you a second, but I just want to bring to everyone's attention. We just swept the pre-market highs. I did say I'm going to make a special attention to bring it to highlight it. So now I'll be looking for a short setup. Go Omnius. Sorry.
No, I was saying that I could use the Prism camera. I'm still messing with the cameras. I'm still the V-cam.
I'm going to have to try it and see if I can find something that works better for me the way it works for you. Hey, look at gold. I haven't looked in a long time. 42.60.
Well, I got that one on sale. You always try it out. And you can try it out with the logo before you even buy it.
That's the VCam thing you were saying?
Yeah.
Okay. You know what the website is? vcam.com? Is as simple as that?
Simple as that.
I'm going to go see what it does. Another piece of software running on my computer, though. OBS, the games, web servers, virtual web servers.
One of the things I like about it doesn't really take that much. At least I don't think it does. I don't know. And I got it on high performance, so might even be able to lower it more. I know.
Good morning, Starboy.
Starboy, good morning. And to the moon, huh? Wait a second. What happened to all those people talking about the market was crashing?
They're still telling you the market is crashing.
Every freaking day.
One day someone will be right.
Look, I just want to be clear. I do think that we're overbought and that we need a massive pullback in the grand scheme of things. But I don't know if it's going to be right now. If we push up and then we get a rejection, then I'll believe we're getting a market crash.
Well,
also, I don't really know that I care too much whether we crash or not.
Yep.
Everybody's always crying about it, but I mean, look, we're day traders, right? It goes up, we buy.
It doesn't matter
goes
what
down,
the
we
market
sell it.
does.
I mean, I'm a swing trader and investor also, so I just do the opposite of what I do day trading, right? Day trading, it goes up, buy it, go down, sell it. Investing, go down, buy it, go up, sell it. It's not that complicated.
Yeah, I remember in the old days. In the old days, the markets would go down, I don't know, 4%. My wife would come home in a panic. What
Oh
happened in the
yeah.
market? What happened in the markets? I would tell, I don't know. I don't know. I buy, I sell. I don't even pay attention. I'm in for a minute. I'm in for 2 minutes. I have no fucking idea. It's not like your boss who's invested in something 7 years ago and now half of his gains from 7 years, half of his 7 years of gains have been wiped out in 2 days of trading. It's not the same thing for me.
I think it was Warren Buffett that said that people couldn't invest because they didn't understand they were buying a business.
Mm,
He said the moment you realize you're buying a business, your investing is going to greatly improve.
yeah.
I mean, you're buying a business, right? I mean, say you went down to your downtown area, opened a store, and started Mike's Coffee or something, right?
Mm,
Are you going to have expenses? Yeah. Are you going to have times where you're making lots of money? Yeah. Are you going to have times where you're losing lots of money? Yeah. Are you going to hire a manager? So you made enough money. Would you hire a manager to run it for you? Probably. Okay. Well, that's the same thing with investing. The only difference is you don't have to do anything. They do it all. I could turn around and buy into Mike's Coffee and not even have to show up to work.
mm.
ERB, good morning. Just imagine if you had 500 of the best companies in the world and all you had to do was choose which one you wanted. Sometimes we have to try really hard to screw this stuff up. Hell's
What are we
going
just
on here?
going higher and higher and higher and higher? Guys, I'm still waiting for a setup to short the break of the pre-market highs, but we haven't gotten anything. And
I
at
don't
this
know.
point, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not thinking about it anymore because usually the behavior is to wick it, maybe pass it by about 10 points and then reverse.
Look at
We
this
are
shit. Check this out real quick. I took a loan, or the bot took a loan. It refused to get out of it. That's supposed to be out way down here. What the fuck?
not my
All right.
fault.
Can we close the trade?
Hey, nice graphics. Beat inflation with tariffs and AI. Who is that? Maple AI Investing.
We turned 7 points into 70 points just by being distracted.
I love it when a mistake works out. Or as
I wish it
Mr.
would.
T used.
I wish it would stop doing that because I want it to do what it's supposed to do. But can't complain too much about turning 7 points into 70.
Hmm.
All right, that's it for me. Close it up. Let's go home.
Day's over. Go.
Day's over. Might be done faster than Skeletor. Skeletor.
Done for the day. I remember that. Done for the day. Before we even started, it was always done for the day. Fuck off. You're making me feel bad.
Skeletor would be like, no, I was done 5 minutes ago. Well, shit. What can you do, right?
Mm,
Done for the
done for the day.
It's like, you're late. I was done 5 minutes ago. 10 minutes ago. Gotta love it.
Why am I not reading right?
I don't know.
85, 88.
What are you not reading right?
I don't know the pricing on the charts. Where is it? It's a different color. That's why somehow the color changed. 945. Coming up. That's the 945 alarm.
We're not even going to talk about this 142-point move.
Go. The floor is yours. It's cold. I got the window open. Yeah, it's a heck of a move. And oh, Saber. I didn't get my Saber strategy loaded. Saber. Yeah, he didn't. Oh, he did get. He got one trade over there. One trade over there. Where's 930? Actually, 930.
Next stop, 25,721.
Done for the day 10 minutes ago.
Kind of a minor resistance. Then we push up to the 800s. Now, if we hit that 800s and then we reject, or we break through and we go up to the 26,300 area, then I'll be looking more for a larger bearish move. I mean, not in day trading. We don't care what happens in day trading. I mean, talking more long term. Day trading goes up, back, goes down, sell it. One day I'm going to do a day trading course. It's going to be 5 pages. One of the pages you're going to say goes up, back, goes down, sell it.
Simple as that.
I think I'd be better than 90% of the day trading courses. It'd be like page 1. Yes, you have to have a strategy. Page 2, goes up, buy it, goes down, sell it. Page 3, we're getting into more advanced stuff now. It's like intermediate. Page 3 will be, yes, psychology is a real thing.
Yeah, I was talking about that, I think, yesterday in the evening stream. And I was saying, wow, if a person doesn't understand the importance of psychology, they probably think I'm an idiot. But they'll figure it out soon enough. If you don't understand the importance of psychology in this game, it just means one thing to me. You're a beginner. And you have a lot to, and you don't know what you don't know.
Dunning-Kruger. If you don't know what you don't know, then you don't know what you don't know.
Give me a sec.
Hey, there's 2 of me. Too ugly to be on here twice. Really much to do. Like to see it come back. In that area. Somebody else might draw a fib. 50%. Those that don't know, instead of drawing a fib, you could just draw a rectangle. 4 hours still bullish. 1 hour definitely bullish. Broke above the resistance here. Could see a retest. The line there.
Coming
That
back.
puts us
Nice.
right at what our 50% was. For retest. Yep, exactly at it. So I've been looking for that area. My drilling tool would work. Yeah, somewhere in there. You back?
I am.
I turned your camera back on. We got to figure out a way to do it that it don't switch cameras every time you leave.
I don't think it's possible. I'm serious. And the reason why I don't think it's possible is because it flips. It flips on the Discord. It's not our settings or anything. It's just the way Discord is. And we're pulling our feed from Discord.
There's no way to... Can't you just turn the camera off in Discord? Like, look, I do that. Didn't switch feed.
Yeah, but then you see me getting up in my underwear.
No, I don't. I turned it off. All you gotta do is turn the camera off.
Oh, that's what I did. Hold on. You're confusing me. What are you talking about?
Down
Discord,
at the bottom of
Discord. Yeah, that's what I do.
You have a thing that says turn camera off?
Oh, okay. Wait a
Try it
minute.
out.
But what am I doing?
I don't know.
Turn off camera. There you go. I just turned off camera.
Why would it flip it just for turning the camera off?
Now turn on camera. Maybe there's another place that you have turn on camera. Maybe there's a temporary. Let me see. Show my camera. There's this. Are you sure? Unchecking show my doesn't end your video, just hides it. Oh no, that's just for my own personal view. Yeah. No, that's what happens. Why? I don't get it. You turn off your camera, it flips also.
No, don't.
Turn your camera off. Huh. That's weird. And it didn't flip for you either on your stream? Turn it back on. I'm on top and you're back on. You're on. Yeah, that's weird. Why does it do it for me? Well, we'll have to do a screen share later, and or well, not maybe today, and you'll show me where you're doing it. What am I doing differently than you? Well, let's focus on trading here. Nope, I do not have a long. I do not have a saber tooth entry. I have only taken trades in Bullinox. I think I should switch. I think $250 trade copied across all accounts is good. Let's go to daytraders.com. Let's lock that day in. Day traders. Sweep on next. Next account. Didn't get to my Apex accounts though.
They got a bull flag. See if it goes up.
I'm still gonna laugh. Every time I hear now bull flag, bear flag, I think back to that day. You know which day I'm talking about.
Tuesday's trading. Oh. Yeah, they get there.
Okay, I gotta take a little trade in my free account before they close it.
You're gonna lose your free account.
Yeah,
that's funny.
We're gonna trade 2 lots in the free account. So my risk per trade will be $65. We won't make it 66. I'm superstitious. We'll make it 77. Save changes.
No, don't save changes.
Can't they just save changes across all accounts? Do I really have to set for every account? It's so ridiculous.
You see my L's? I think people like the L's.
The what? L's?
You didn't look at my stream, did you?
Well, do I look at your stream constantly while I'm trading, working my OBS, running the giveaway game, checking the entries, and fixing my settings? No, but I got your stream right here. You can wave. I see it. I see it.
See the elf down there?
Elf! First I heard you elves. No, I don't. Ah, okay, that's too small. It's on a cell phone. That's why I never use cell phones. Let me go full screen on you.
You saying my elf's too small?
Yeah, that was too small. Ah, he's such a cutie. Looks like the Grinch. Does he use codes Omnius?
I think he does. Of course he does.
Of course.
He even tells Santa Claus to use code Omnius. You kidding me? I got Santa to put on the side of his sleigh. How's that for advertising?
Personal daily loss limit. What's a good personal daily loss limit for the static account?
$1 million.
What? You have $1 million. Guys, if we get really fucking famous, we will give away $1 million one time.
You ever watch those
go bring in a lot of people.
Yeah. Was it the Hodge twins? Hodge twins or whatever?
Yeah, I like him.
Ain't they always doing a giveaway?
I have no idea. But I like that.
Always like, you could win this brand new truck and $100,000 and this and this and this. And like, dang. Like, one day we could do stuff like that. Buy this course for $9.99 and you can enter to win a brand new Dodge.
Did you guys trade? Yeah, I took a bunch of trades in my Bullinox account. I copy traded, so I'm up 250 across 4 accounts over there. And now I'm setting up my daytraders.com account, putting in the personal daily loss limits. I don't know what happened, but they didn't seem to get saved, and I just want to make sure that I'm in the right account. Okay, that's a 3. For a 3 lot, it's $100 that I risk per trade, which is too much. Is it 1428?
Scouts was out with the Hodge twins. Am I saying it right, Mike? Hodge twins.
Yeah, I think so. I don't know. I'm not sure who you're talking about.
Hodge Toads. Huh? You said you knew who it was.
They stream beside each other, right? They're like sitting beside each other, and they're always joking around. Yeah, I like them. They're charismatic.
Yeah, they're always doing a giveaway for something cool too. Cool giveaways.
But is there a giveaway? Or is it a forever giveaway?
I think it's a forever giveaway. I don't know.
Meaning, every day it's the same thing and they never give it away yet.
I don't know. I think you buy something from their store and you're entered.
Okay.
Maybe like once a year or something. But still, I go to Walmart. I don't get entered to win $100,000 for shopping at Walmart.
Nope. What do we got? We have a Trade Saber trade. Let's try and set that up in time if I can.
I go to Taco Bell. I don't get entered for $100,000 at Taco Bell.
Push, Saber, push. Fuck these these saber-tooth trades. They always go to that first TP by like a tick, and then they come back down. I hate it.
Starboy said, did you usually trade gold?
I like trading gold. I have it up.
Take a look.
But nope, I'm not trading gold lately because it's distracting and I'm doing too many things. So I only got 8 eyes. Push through, you motherfucker. Come
Looks
on.
bullish.
There we go. Thank you.
I'm gonna go short answer. Looks bullish on the longer time frame. Smaller time frame. Looks like it's currently having a pullback. Maybe something in that area.
There we go. Let's see what we got. Look at that. Went right to it again. Where is the stop on this? It's 20 points. Is it 24 points? 20 points? I have no idea.
Maybe one day I'll get in the trading gold.
Yeah, I like
Stuff like that. Seems like a lot of work to learn it. And why not just trade the Nasdaq?
1825. 80.
I don't know. I guess it's just my personality. I'd rather just be in tuned with one thing. That's why I trade futures. I don't want to wake up and say, well, this one's doing this and this one's doing this. Which one do I want? It's too stressful.
For me, my setups on the Renko are identical.
I show up, you try to keep it simple. First question, do I want to go long or do I want to go short? I look at a 2-minute chart and it tells me whether I want to be long or short. I also keep up the 5 and the 15 for confluence. Sometimes I look at the hourly, see what that's doing. Everything's long, okay. 2 minutes long, okay. So I want to be long.
Nice.
Now that I know I want to be long, what is my volume chart doing? If everything's long and the volume chart wants to go long, well then can't really argue with that, right? There you go. Where would the long have been? No, I didn't take it. Why didn't I take it? I told y'all 10 minutes ago why I wouldn't take it. Because I took a bot trade this morning and it was supposed to take 7 points, but instead it was stubborn. I found out way up here it had like 70 points. Way up there somewhere. Where did it go? So I accidentally turned 7 points into 70, so take it, be happy. Well, they say don't want to be a dick for a tick.
That sounds familiar. Who says that? Give him
That's a good call from the bot. It is a good call, but to be honest with you, I wish it wouldn't have happened because I want my bot to work the way it's supposed to, which means there's an error still in the code. K50, good morning.
It's a Nasdaq cowboy. Used to say that.
But I think it's important to remember at the times when I lose 20 or 30 points that, hey, there was several times that I've made way more than that from errors with the bot. So it's been good errors, it's been bad errors. What was it? One day I had 2 bots running, and the more important one got kicked out of a trade, and then the other one went straight to the stop loss. So goes both ways, I guess. The guy ran off again. I tried to tell him too ugly to be on there twice. This is kind of difficult to trade though, because it's super bullish. Theoretically, we draw a line from here to here, and then place that line there. And then place another line there. Theoretically, that would be our measured move. Anybody that watches measured moves, like everything else, don't always work. Something to keep an eye on.
Sparky, you having a heart attack again?
Who's having a heart attack?
My cat. It's running around like he's seeing ghosts.
Well, maybe he does see ghosts. You ever think of that?
Yeah. Now he's coming to beg for cookies for the ghosts.
What is it? We only see like a small portion of the light spectrum.
That is true. Oh,
Cats and dogs, they see a lot more than we do.
do they see
When the
more, or
dog's
do they
acting-
just see a different part of it?
I don't know. I'll have to ask a cat. I mean,
No,
ask
you
a cat or a
don't.
dog.
You don't either. He has GPT. We know. We're humans. We're smart. We've taken apart their eyes. We've looked at what sensors they have.
Did you
Yeah,
just
but-
say we're humans? We're smart?
Yeah.
Really? We're the
We
only
are.
species
Good
that
morning,
has to
JC.
pay to live on Earth.
We're also the only species that knows what
In an abundance of
part of the
everything, we
light
have nothing.
spectrum cats and dogs can see it.
They're
We're
smart
the only-
enough that they don't care.
We're self-aware. We know we die. We know other people. We know people die. They don't know nothing.
How do you know people die?
I've seen it on movies.
Have you ever seen a dead man?
I've seen it in Die Hard.
Have you ever seen a dead man?
Have I ever seen a dead man?
When you
I
see
believe
one,
I
ask
have.
them.
I believe
Yeah.
I have. Well, dead men don't speak. That would be ridiculous.
Well, then you've never seen a dead man. How do you know they're dead?
That's a ridiculous. Why? Because the dead man can't speak. How do I know he's dead? Have I ever seen a tree? Oh, well, ask it if it's a tree. If it can't
Okay.
answer you and say it's a tree, have you ever seen a rock, a shoe, hair?
Well, since you brought up a tree, if a tree falls in the woods and there's nobody there to hear it, does it make a sound?
Does it make a sound? Oh, you don't want to ask me that question. I had a big argument with my family about that. I say no. I swear to God, I say no.
No, it can't make a sound because a sound's produced when you hear something.
Yes, I say no. I have that same argument. I've made that argument and I almost got thrown out of my house. There is no such thing as sound. It's just it's a wave in the air. We just perceive that wave as sound, but there was no sound.
Okay. What if it's the same thing with death? You perceive that there's a dead person.
Okay, the definition of a dead person doesn't speak, just like the definition of a rock doesn't speak. So I can't ask a rock if it's a rock.
I know deaf people. Are they dead?
Deaf people?
Yes.
That's not the definition of dead. Unable to hear or speak is not the definition of dead. So
You
telling
just
me
said, you just
No,
said
I
dead
didn't.
people
No.
can't speak.
dead, yeah, I didn't say exclusively. I didn't say that's the exclusive definition of a dead person. That's one of the features. Shoes have laces, but shoes aren't only laces. Don't get me angry. I'm doing good. I'm gonna go on. I know what you're doing. You want me to lose accounts today. I close. I'm quitting. I'm not taking any more trades. That's it.
Don't
I'm
blame
done.
me for your trade. And look, do not follow our trades. May or may not be drunk.
I'm done. I'm not touching the fucking computer.
Yeah, you're not done. Just switch to an eval.
Someone bet you, hey, can you get Mike to lose an account?
What was the start of this conversation? I forgot.
I was saying how my son just finished. He's like Skeletor. He's done for the day. He killed it. He caught that move up in NQ.
Sweet.
And 10 o'clock, he's gone. He went to go play with the dog.
Sweet.
He's all happy.
Wouldn't it be great if every day was like that?
Mm-hmm. He said he saw major weakness in ES, but no weakness in NQ. And I see it. I see it.
So that was the catalyst?
Yeah, ES took out the US session lows. NQ didn't even come close. So he piled into NQ and cashed in. Good job. Give it up for David. Why is my bell not working? And probably Alex, because they take the same trades.
Good job, Alex.
A family of traders. Well, they can say you guys are trading. You're doing team trading, but we take completely different trades, so they can't say that.
Wish I'd get my son in the trading.
These guys take one trade. They're one and done. They hold it for 15 minutes.
I need to buy him like a cheap computer that you can't play games on. Because if you could play games, they'd be playing games. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I need to buy him like a cheap computer. Just like put TradingView on there.
He's still young.
That's what I want.
I know, but...
Who was it? Was it Beethoven or Mozart said, it's so simple a child can understand it. It's so complex an adult can't.
Daddy's in charge of the money. He wants to play games.
Silent Mind, good morning. I like the way that his mind looks at stuff. I'd like to see what kind of stuff he could come up with on trading. My only advice is don't go to ICT route. At least not in the beginning stages.
Hey, Silent Mind. I scalp a couple of trades, 5 to 10 points following the trend. Yeah, good man, Skeletor. That's what I do also. I got a long at 20. Shit. I forced it. I'm long at 20.
My son's very rule based, so he'd have to find some kind of a setup that's very like rule based.
Okay, my first trade in my static. Mike, is your son Luna? Isn't Luna 40 years old? That's still possible. I'm 60. I could have had a kid at... No, my son is not Luna. You will be seeing my boys on YouTube soon. They are planning on streaming. They're getting their stuff together. The debut is supposed to be in February. I don't know why they need 3 months, but
yeah, best to just jump in.
Let's just say they trade better than they learn technology. Oh, there is a long trade. This is an official.
If you want to do it, just jump in.
Yeah, that's what I say too. Well, they don't want to distract from their trading. That's the thing. And it is, in the beginning, it's a bit of a distraction.
Yeah, guys, so is everything else.
Yeah, but you learn. I mean, this is a distraction, but I don't know if you guys hear all those Roadrunner sounds and the bells and the whistles. I just set up a bunch of alarms. So now I hear them. So I know, okay, there's my setup.
There's definitely a distraction, but at the same time, it's also a distraction from overtrading.
Mm-hmm.
So,
well, it all depends on how much you interact. It all depends on how much you interact with your chat. If they don't interact with their chat much in the while they're trading and they just analyze the charts, which is what people will probably want anyways, and they just talk amongst themselves what they see and what they're looking for and what they're waiting for. It's not a distraction. It just runs. The board is yours.
Do people even like chart analysis?
I think that's all they like. And the reason why I say that is because there was a guy that I used to watch. I forgot his name, Jared or whatever. I loved him. He was a great, he had a great channel. He still does. I think he still comes on. A bald guy. And he used to say all the time, you guys, all you want to see is charts. Every time I talk about anything else, my videos get 1/3 the views. So he says, don't worry, I'm going to bring charts. I'm going to have charts on this video. Stop shaking in your shoes. Wow, we got a 3-way tie for first place. I didn't get
what streamers talk about charts? Like Patrick, I don't think he talks about charts.
Patrick?
by Matt, he don't really talk about charts. Nutty, I don't think he talks about charts.
Kinda, yeah. Especially Patrick Whelan. Well, Patrick, you never know when he's in a fucking trade, Patrick. You know, you only know when he's in a trade. Like here, right now, you see my trade, right?
I don't know. I seen him, was it yesterday and the day before? He's like, I'm going to take 70 contracts right here.
Oh, yeah? Well, maybe he's changed. Because the old Patrick that I used to watch was, okay, I'm taking profit. Really? Look, why didn't you show us when you entered? How come we didn't see it? Okay, maybe it was an accident, but it was always like that, you know? So how many trades did we not see?
Well,
you know,
you shouldn't be staring at somebody else's screen looking for trades anyways. So
no, you shouldn't. But what if you want to learn?
Bother me.
What if you want to learn?
What if you what?
What if you want to learn? What if you want to watch? Just like that, maybe you're calling.
That's why you're there to talk about trading and discuss ideals. You're not there to hold people's hand and have everybody copy trading off of you.
No, not copy trade, but tell me what.
I mean, if you want to do that, then you go to Warrior Trading, in which that's how he makes his money. He gets everybody else to push the stock up, then he gets out, and you're left holding the bag.
2017. I agree with you 100%. You shouldn't be there for copy trading, but I do think he was very untransparent. That's all. I mean, there are trades you don't see of mine, but
you go fishing with somebody and they're like, here's my fishing pole. Will you fish for me? Like, why'd you go fishing if you wanted me to fish for you?
Yeah, but it's how you present the information. You know, if you keep putting together videos and showing that you're catching a fish on every cast and you're not giving any indication that or impression that you actually cast it 500 times and you didn't catch a fish, you make it look like you're just completely always successful.
You know what the joke is? I'm that guy fishing. I hate fish. I don't want to touch them. I don't want to smell them. I hate everything about them.
Yeah, I like that. You live in Florida and you hate fishing. That's terrible. That's a shame.
So why do I go fishing? I'm just there to hang out and drink beer.
Yeah.
So if we go fishing, that means I'm drinking beer and you're fishing. I do got to take my kids fishing. I've been telling them for years I would.
Lake fishing or ocean fishing? Two different animals, actually. I like them both, but I prefer lake fishing. The water's calmer.
Yeah, probably.
It's less daunting.
Plus, I know people with smaller boats. I don't know anybody with big old yachts. Go out in the ocean.
I mean, we do have lakes that are the size of oceans here in Canada, but, you know, when I talk lake fishing, I'm talking a lake where you can see the shore on both sides if you look left and right.
We have a few large lakes, but I don't think anything like up north. Are you by the Great Lakes that separates the U.S. from Canada, right? You close to there or no?
It all depends on your definition of the word close, but yeah, I would say yeah,
Closer than me.
definitely.
Closer than ruin.
I got stopped out. Fucking trade saber or saber trader. Okay, they can't all be winners, right? They can't all be winners. 382. Oh shit! Wow, focused on a trade saber trade, and I missed my 3-to-1 entry. Maybe it'll come back. Come back. Probably not. If it comes back, it's not even a good sign anymore. Oh well. Gold's coming off, eh?
I remember a few years ago, I was like, everybody's talking about buying gold, but don't go nowhere. Just go sideways. Like it didn't move for like 4 years. And then look what happened.
Yeah.
Freaking 113%. So you know what I'll do? Next time it's in a range for 4 years, I'll wait till it's at the bottom and buy a bunch of gold. Now, the only reason gold's pushing the way it is, or has been, is because of how bad inflation is. Same thing on Facebook this morning said people making 300 grand a year are complaining that they ain't got no money.
Wow.
A few years ago, people making 100 grand a year thought they were rich. Now people making 300 grand a year, they ain't got no money. I ain't seen Bama in a few days. Wonder if he went back to that job.
Yeah, I was mentioning that last night also.
Was he there last night?
No, I was saying, yeah, how come he doesn't show up? This is very weird.
What's weird?
I'm in a position, but it says no active position. The numbers are all wrong. I don't know if I'm in a position. Well, time to restart. Time to restart the platform. Wow, Platform X is really not working well lately, I have to say. No active position, even though it was showing me I had a position. I don't even know if I had a position. I'll know, I guess, when I open it up. I don't know. I better get it open now before I have another position. The data goes down. Yesterday, I couldn't connect to my Bullinox Platform X accounts.
Is that you say Project X?
Yeah.
Project so I heard
X,
that they're the ones that are going top step only, right?
Yeah.
I heard the reason they were doing that is because they were having so many failures. Like they didn't expect it to Like it was working great with like a few prop firms, and they started going to a bunch of prop firms and started having issues.
Yeah, like rhythmic.
Yeah. So I heard that's why they're cutting out all the other prop firms. Don't know how true that is. Just
Okay, yeah, you don't know
what
what's
I've
true,
seen.
people. What did I hear? I heard, oh, wow, almost got stopped out. I had an opportunity. I got so distracted with that, I missed my second opportunity. I give up. Yeah, I heard, I don't know, the owner left, the manager left, somebody left, and then other people left, or somebody wanted to leave. I don't know. Who knows? It's all a bunch of gossip. You know what? Remember when Paul Walker had the car accident? Did you hear stories that he flew through the windshield? I mean, it was still a little bit gorier than that. I don't need to bring it up, but did you? And then I just saw a recreation of it. Someone did like a 3D recreation of it. The car hit the tree sideways. It didn't hit it head on. You don't fly through the windshield when your car hits the tree sideways. The car got cut. The car got cut in half because or broke in half. I don't know if it got cut in half. The simulation, I think, showed it that it just kind of broke in half, but it was still kind of connected. Anyways, but the point is, who knows what information is accurate? Everything is so
fly
different.
Through the windshield, hitting a tree sideways. The amount of force that, especially if you're not buckled in, the amount of force that you're being projected at. I mean, I've seen wrecks where people flew out the side window. It's like, hey, you get in a wreck and you through the glass. Like,
Yeah.
what the hell? Like, what are you doing out here? We don't think about the amount of force that a car has. I mean, you hit a tree just at 10 miles per hour. It's hard to imagine the amount of force there is. Trees don't
so
move.
True. That is so true. It's unbelievable.
If it's a bigger tree, it doesn't move. It's unforgiving.
Yeah.
And
you don't think at all. It wasn't even a ride. It was I don't even know what to call it. It was a demonstration, maybe call it, by the police, whatever. They wanted to show you the force of an impact at, I think, 30 kilometers an hour. What's 30 kilometers an hour? That's about 18 miles an hour. And they said, you're going to think it's nothing, but it's really significant. They put you in this little sled. They didn't buckle you. You were only up like 5 feet, and it was like on a little angle, and you would slide down, and then you would instantly stop.
Oh,
the moron didn't tell me, watch your tongue. I almost bit my tongue off.
Or snap your neck. You can snap your neck at that speed.
I could not believe the force of an instant stop at 18 miles an hour. Seriously. Never. You couldn't explain it to me and get me to believe it unless I experienced it.
Like I said, hit a tree at 10 miles per hour and start thinking a little differently.
Yeah.
But that's something that don't move. Like a lot of time car wrecks and stuff, the cars that they give way to the force.
Yeah, there's a little give.
So it helps it out. But when you hit something that doesn't move and you come to that dead stop, that's a lot of force.
Mm. Okay, what's the W? A lot of people write W. Starboy, what does W stand for when you just type in a W? I'm seeing that quite a bit. I never know what anybody is referring to. Okay, my trade got stopped out.
Maybe he won a trade.
I
seen one that said, without cursing, what does WTF mean?
Want to fight.
Want to fight. I put we trade futures.
I like that.
WTF, man. We trade futures. Need that on a shirt or hat.
Okay, give me a second.
WTF, we trade futures. Now y'all are never going to hear WTF again. Same way. Hear or see.
There we go.
I've ruined y'all for life.
I closed my camera for the stream, but you still have the camera.
Oh, you closed it on the stream?
Now you don't move. Oh, I'm getting up. I got to go. I'm taking a break.
WTF, we trade futures. Hey, grab me a new drink, would you?
I just got to make sure I'm wearing pants before I get up.
You got to wear pants?
Because your camera is still on.
Come on, man. I used to watch one guy and he said, best way to improve your day trading is to get dressed for work.
I agree.
Said you shouldn't be in your pajamas. You shouldn't be in your underwear. He said you should have a nice clean shirt, shoes, socks, everything.
Yeah, I agree.
You should be dressed for success. I quit watching that guy. I was like, that was a stupid idea. Get the fuck out of here. I'm going to show up my pajamas barefoot. I don't understand people saying that trading can't be fun. You can't be excited. You can't. Hey, we still see you. Oh, saw his underwear. I have to tell him that one didn't work. I don't understand people saying trading shouldn't be fun. Relax. That's the perks of the job, right? Show up, have fun, have a community, talk through some trades, listen to music. I'd let y'all listen to my music that I listen to, but it'd run everybody off and then I'd get a copyright strike. The song we got playing on the stream. Oh, that one's not bad. Could use some double bass. Come on, man. We trade futures. WTF. Yeah, we react here. Came down, took a little bit of liquidity here. See if we can get a buyers to step in. I think this was our kind of halfway point. Hard to pick decent trades today because I haven't had the cleanest of pullbacks. I like getting a clean pullback. 182 points up, and then retracing all that. All right, while we wait for figure the price action out, take a break, grab me a drink. You say you're not wearing any shorts?
No, I said I missed a nice short trade. We're 28 points, but
Oh yeah, we seen your underwear.
that was shorts. On the other hand, we're bouncing off previous day's high. Wow, my 1 minute chart is not really giving me any setups today. Just that one. Yesterday it gave a whole bunch. I caught 3 of them in time to actually call them trades. Today, nothing. There was one, and it was a loser. 2 for 2. We're 2 for 2 now in the week. I think we were 2 for 1, and now we're 2 for 2. Not 2 for 2. 2 for 4. 2 winners, 2 losers. That's the right way to say it. You want to hear crazy? I don't want to lose on my static account, and all I can do is lose. Boy, when you don't want to lose, that's all you do. It's like that's what you attract. I don't get it. I just went upstairs there to refresh my coffee, and I was even telling David, I said, wow, I took 3 trades in it. I wasn't comfortable in them, and they all lost, and they were like legitimate. It's because I don't want to lose.
That's what happens to people with their funded account. They don't want to lose so bad, they lose everything.
I'm thinking maybe I should take a break and stop trading it for today. I'm down 85. Why let the damage get worse, eh? I'm not feeling it. Close it down. To hell with it. I'm going to be stubborn.
All right. I mean, you don't want to trade. I think the best price action anyways. Trade an eval or something, or if you've already made money on your funded, go to an eval. Still think we're long. Chart kind of showing short, but
I agree with you.
Higher time frame still showing long.
Platforms. Let's go to Top Step. Top Step. There we go. Let's move out of daytraders.com. We'll come back tomorrow. I won't even remember. New day. New day,
remember
fresh
what?
attitude. New day, fresh attitude.
All right, I need a drink.
Oh my God! Yeah, no.
My throat. I can't swallow. I gotta get a drink.
I can't swallow.
I need something to drink. Look at him drinking in front of me. He's like, look at this drink. Can I believe this guy? Oh my goodness.
What?
What happened?
Yeah.
I'll be back. Y'all don't look at my butt when I get up, okay?
That's weird. Okay, we'll play the giveaway game. How am I doing? I'm not at my high water mark on my Apex account. What can you do? It is what it is. How would this one have done? Oh, it would have entered in short at 563. Who do we got registered for the giveaway game? Let me get distracted. Let me distract myself. We got not a lot of people today. Skelly, smooth operator, and Starboy. With Skelly getting 2 balls, I think, right? Yeah, Skelly gets 2 balls. He was typed in exclamation mark giveaway. Mike is your son. Forgot what I was saying. Platforms. Top Step. My mic on? Yes, it is. That's really cool. Okay, I have a New Year's resolution. I'm not going to lose any more accounts ever. Look at that bounce off previous day's high, eh? Well, I had a prediction that we were going to hit 25. Well, not a prediction. That's the wrong word. 25,348, a statistic that we were going to trade down to 25,348 with a 80% chance. But looks like today's going to be one of those 20%er days. Markets are showing a lot of strength today, NQ. I guess the Christmas rally has started. Let's take a look at the daily. Well, looking at the daily, if you remember 2-3 days ago, I said we did get back over the 50 period moving average. It's the white one. I should make him a little bit fatter because it's basically all I'm tracking on this chart. Let's make him 5. Let's have him nice and fat. Tracking the 50, the 100, and the 200. We got below the 100. We got below the 200 for a while. Didn't stay there too long. Had a nice pullback. What's that? 23,900. 2-4. That's about 2,500 points. Wow, that was about a 10% pullback. Okay. But we shot back up. 50 didn't even come close to crossing under the 100. Got rid of this slope over here. We did take out a recent swing, lower swing high. So it is possible we're going to trade higher now. We should keep that in mind. I'm not surprised that I'm seeing strength in NQ. Get back to the daily. Oh my God. 14, 28, 30, 30, 60, 90.
The fuck, man?
The fuck? Yeah, nice run, eh?
I leave for 2 minutes and y'all run it all the way back up to the fucking top. Nobody thought about me? I can't believe you guys. Unbelievable. What can you do?
We don't have enough people to run a giveaway qualifier. We only got Smooth Operator, Starboy, and Skelly. Skeletor.
What about me? I put it in earlier. You're cheating.
You're there, but you only run interference.
I'm going to call my mom and tell her.
Oh, my mama.
I was starting to stream this morning. And like I started and everything. And like right as I'm fixing to go live, a buddy of mine calls me.
Oh, yeah.
Don't want to not answer. What if it's like broke down somewhere or something?
Mm.
I'm trying to get off the phone. Of course, when you're busy, people want to talk. We're like, hey, man, when are we going to go riding motorcycles? Like, I don't know. As soon as I can find somewhere to hide my kids for a while.
Mm. Bring them over. I'll babysit. Me and my wife will babysit.
You'd be amazed the amount of people that tell us that. You'd also be amazed at the amount of people who say that, who are always busy every time you ever ask. Oh, if you ever need a babysitter, just let me know. Okay.
Mm. The best babysitters are family, bar none.
Well,
They're the ones
let
you
me know
can
when they
trust
do
the
it,
most.
okay?
They're the ones you can trust the most.
Let me know when they show up. I could probably count on my hands how many times we've had a babysitter.
Mm. We were lucky when my kids were small. Grandpa really helped us out.
They all say they'll help. You ever need a babysitter? You just let us know.
Don't let them know. Just show up at their door. You see? There's a method to the madness. We're here. Here they are. See you later.
My wife saw a video one time. She said, we need to start doing that. You go to see the grandparents, right? And you show up and you say, okay, I'm going to run out and grab some pizza real quick.
You would not believe what happened at the pizza restaurant. Wow, it's too bad that the setups of the candles didn't align right, because that was a really nice bounce trade off the previous day's high. But the low that was put in was a bullish candle. I needed it to be a bearish candle.
Yeah. I kept talking about that level. Finally came down to it. I didn't know it was going to skyrocket to the moon as soon as it got there.
Okay, it's bothering me, but I'm proud of myself that I closed down the day traders.
We're proud of you too.
It's so hard to do when you're in the moment. It's crazy. But I'm sure I'm going to feel, you know what? Here's a good thought experiment. We'll see how I'm going to talk about it tomorrow.
What I'll do is I'll type in the chat. Just for you, I'm going to put WTF, okay?
Okay. We trade futures.
That's right. Just for you. For anybody else, I'd put GG, but for you, I'd put WTF.
But yeah, and look at that. I went to Top Step, first trade, a winner. 8 points. I swear to God, it was like I said I'm not afraid to lose on Top Step, so it was just crazy.
Like I said, what I say the third page of my book was going to be my trading course.
Best loser
Psychology
wins.
is a real thing.
Mm.
Telling you, I only need 5 pages, maybe 10. I don't know.
Yeah, well, tomorrow I'm going to wait for really clean, beautiful setups.
I'll use 5 pages and I'll draw funny pictures in the other 5.
Yeah, do the wood chip animal setups. Taking out the U.S. session highs. Actually, taking out session highs. Now that I look. Not just
How'd
US
the
session highs.
open range do? I still don't even have that on my chart.
I don't know. There's the 2 minute. I'm watching the 5 minute now. I'm watching the 5 minute. There's a guy that came up with a chart pattern that I want to look at. And I like the logic of it. That's why I want to look at it. Not because some guy came out with it. But basically he said if you break out of the 5 minute range and you close outside of it with a fair value gap, he said that was like an 83% trade. So I'm watching that now.
I don't remember what my indicator was called. I have to go through all my indicators and let's see. Look for open range. Would it be that simple? I got 3 of them. I guess we'll have to try all 3. Didn't do anything.
Did you hear my New Year's resolution? I resolve to never blow an account for 2026. It's so doable, though. That's the thing also. You just got to trade small. I mean, someone with the edge that I have, if you trade small, like Rod Caselli, I think says, trade 1 micro, 2 micro. That's it. Have a PDLL of like $100, $150. You'll never blow an account. It'll take you a little bit longer to get to target, but you'll never blow an account. We just got an arrow. See, got an arrow, but again, the high was made with a bearish candle.
So I guess my response to that would be is, why would you be in the mindset of thinking that I don't want to blow an account? That makes sense.
Because I do blow accounts, and I'm not in the mindset of I don't want to blow accounts. I'm gonna always have accounts that I trade more aggressively. I think it's a skill I got to work on. You know, it's kind of like if I was a hockey player, got to learn how to, work the puck while I'm skating full speed. So I'm still working on that skill. It's probably one of my weaknesses. I can't figure out yet.
Using the hockey player analogy, right? Hockey players, they try to shoot a goal. I mean, they don't always get the goal, right? Sometimes they get it, sometimes they don't. They don't say, I'm never going to miss a goal again. Or I'm never going to fall on the
We're never
fear.
going to lose a game again.
We're never going to lose a game again. We're never going to fall again. Never going to let another player hit me again.
Well, that's what it is. To be honest with you, an account is like a game. It's not like a season. It's really like a game. It's not one shot. It's not a period. I think it's a game. You're going to lose some accounts. You're going to win some accounts. You're going to lose some games. You're going to win some games. Because there's not a lot of drawdown, seriously. I mean, unless you want to try and make $10 a day, there's not a lot of drawdown in these counts. $2,500, seriously. Oh, here's a thought experiment. You know how there's always inflation, right? Of course, obviously. Chocolate bars were 10 cents when I was a kid. Now they're $1. That's
Tried to explain that to you.
Yeah. So is a 50K account with $2,000 drawdown or $2,500 drawdown, if you go really far into the future, will that ever cost $5,000? Will inflation actually ever make that account cost more than the drawdown? At some point in 400 years, in 5,000 years, assuming we just continued on?
Well,
nah, they're going to have to change the accounts because 50,000 and 2,000 are going to be
2,000,
irrelevant numbers.
Most cases, it's not even that. Because you got your trailing drawdown, you got your other types of drawdown. I mean, if I put $2,000 into a live account versus 2,000 in a prop account, it's not the same thing. If I make $500 on my live account, I now have $2,500. Right? If I make $500 in a prop account, I now have $2,000. So, unless I guess you go with the static account or something. Seen some of them now, they have the trailing drawdown, but it's not it's end of trade drawdown.
Yeah, I forgot. Was that loose? That wasn't lucid?
I don't remember which one it was.
Yeah, that was interesting.
Maybe the operator. Good morning. I would like to see it go that way. I think that would be end of trade drawdown.
I think that's a beautiful compromise between trailing and end of day. It's a seriously good compromise, and I think they should all do it.
I messaged day trader last night. From my phone. I wasn't even on the computer. I think like messaged them. No, they used to have it right there on the site, but I couldn't find out how to do it from there, so I had to email them. I guess they have an AI, and I was like, I didn't want that route, so I was like, "What's the email?" So, of course, it's day trader support. So, okay, so I messaged them, and probably 10 minutes later, 15 minutes later, I get an email back. Yeah, it's done. I think, well, damn, that was fast.
Oh, damn.
I mean, you gotta admit, every time I've messaged them people, the support's been top notch. Who was it? I think it was Jose or Pablo. I don't know. Maybe it was Pablo. I'm gonna go look. Just saying, so far their support Pablo at Day Traders. You the man. Like seeing a good support team. I was like, they're never going to be able to do that. It's going to be difficult. I basically want them to like change everything. So it wasn't even a simple task. And yeah, he messaged me back. He's like, oh, I think I got it. Let me know. But I wasn't at my computer. So I wasn't at my computer. I heard that.
I did a sound test. I did a sound test for me, but I didn't do a sound test. Take care, Skeletor. I'll let you know if you want any more qualifiers for Friday's giveaway. You're in. You're in. You got 2 balls in every qualifier we run today. You typed in ! giveaway before I started the stream. Don't worry. It's logged.
Skeletor, later. Appreciate you. As always.
Nice little dump.
And Skeletor, just remember, WTF. We trade futures. Which way we want to go? Oh, could be a long setup. You got a long setup?
No, I'm looking. I'm playing with settings and stuff. Can't figure out how to close things. Oh, there. Usually hit the X. That's the best way to close things. A setup. Let me see. You said long.
We'll give it a try.
I did. I missed it. I already went to target. The long setup was at 40. Went to 48. Target would have been 47.
Might fail, but I feel like it's a good setup. So I'm comfortable whatever it wants to do.
The
shit.
The Saber. Shouldn't use Saber. It's his name. I gotta change it.
What do you want to change it to?
I don't know. How about Tiger Teeth? We'll still give them credit.
I got weak hands.
But we won't. I got weak hands. But we won't steal his name. We won't use
Come on,
his
man.
name.
It was 15 points in what? 3 seconds?
Yeah, very nice.
What can you ask for?
I call it Tiger Teeth. Or TT for short, but if you say that fast, it sounds like you're saying titties.
Didn't say it fast 3 times.
Titty. Hey, someone's sending you hearts. Why are you getting hearts? Did my wife get confused with the streams?
Is it your wife? Is it my wife? Maybe it's Pablo from Day Traders.
Yeah, it could be. I love you, man. You gave him a good review. He just got a raise. Okay, so what am I looking for? Saber. Next. Let's rename it.
ERB said, when the Nightbot gives commands, I obey. I think it was ERB.
Oh, yeah.
What was the command?
If you're enjoying this stream so far, go and hit the heart reaction 30 times. Why did you choose heart? Are you missing love?
It does say heart, doesn't it?
It does. Are you missing love?
I need love in my life. ERB, you the man. Or woman. I guess we really don't know.
Yeah. We are cutting out early today, 11:30. We're back on at 1:30, right? Bullinox review.
Sounds about right.
Okay, give me 2 hours to prepare.
I guess you better
do your homework.
I gotta do homework? Oh my God. You know, I wasn't good at that in school.
Remove.
I had my own rules about homework. Yeah. Rule number 1.
Don't do it.
No homework on Friday.
Really?
No, my teachers hated that. No, I tell them straight up. I don't do homework on Fridays. I don't do homework on the weekends. They said, but you gotta do. One time I even had to do a thing with my parents where I had to like sign a paper. It didn't work. You know why? I would never sign the paper. Like, nope, I'll do homework on the weekends.
Hey, my dad wasn't great at reading or writing English. So all my notes, he would just sign them, but he wouldn't even bother to read them. And then one day the principal, this is in high school, got all excited. He thought he had an aha moment, a gotcha moment. He goes, he figured out that my dad wasn't reading the notes. He called him. My dad told him, yeah, I don't read them. He just gives them to me. He writes them out. I sign them. I don't care what's on them.
Mm-hmm.
Talk about pissing off a principal, huh? It's like they think they...
You never learned how to do your dad's signature?
Nah, I didn't have to. He didn't care. As long as my marks were good, he didn't care. He even said it. If your marks are up there, you can miss as much school as you want. I was self-taught.
I learned early on that if you just scribble a signature, nobody can read it and nobody really cares. ERB. I'm a simple Georgia dude. Sweet. You the man.
Okay, I could have a potential short soon. We'll watch for that.
I guess the question is, if we're leaving in 20 minutes, are you playing games?
Do one. I mean, we don't got many people in. ERB, did you type in giveaway? I don't even know. Let me check the file. I only have Omnius Smooth Operator and Starboy on my file right now, so
we gotta have a minimum of 8. Well,
we'll run one. I mean, with whatever we have before we check out.
I guess that means ERB will have to play.
It's true. I forgot. Oh, we got it set up.
Sure. He said no. He was typing it as soon as same time I was saying it. No, remember, I'm not going to play this week. What can you do? People want free accounts. You try to give them free accounts.
I'm still humming Alanis Morissette songs. Can you believe it?
You ever hear that rumor about her having to get her stomach pumped?
Nope.
Apparently she got passed around a lot. That was a rumor back in the 90s. Early 2000s, whenever it was. 1-2 last week. Omni, yeah, I heard about that. That was awesome. I heard you was even picking for the other guy and we almost won him 1-2. When you're so
Yeah.
good, you tie yourself for somebody else.
Who is he picking for? He was picking for Bama. That was funny.
No, it wasn't Bama. It was
Yeah, I think it was Bama
that
that
was
he
the
was
other
picking
guy.
for. No, it wasn't Bama. Either way, it was fucking hilarious. Whoever it was, that's irrelevant. It was hilarious. And the
Skeletor
fact that he
picked
died, I
25
mean,
out of 25.
there's a new record. Someone picked in 2 yesterday, I think. He played again.
All right, you want to put the game up? Maybe people see the game now.
Sure. Well, it is up.
Start
I mean,
telling.
it's up in a tiny little thing, but yeah, let me close down everything here. Flatten, cancel,
I mean, if you're
close.
trading or whatever, it don't matter. I don't care.
Nah, I don't think what you can call is trading. It's working on the risk settings and making sure they're working and in the right place. And I'm doing maintenance. Think of it that way. Okay, so ERB, are you playing? Where are you over here? Are you playing to win, or are you just playing to get in people's way?
He said no.
You did. I think give someone else a chance to win. Okay, sounds good. We'll just put you in as a troublemaker.
Yeah, to
So
be
what do we got?
troublemakers like us.
Omnius, Skeletor, Omnius 2, and Skeletor 2. Add a player.
I can play a win, but if I
ERB,
do get a spot, then I'm gonna
MM.
give it to the guy that I beat out last week. Oh, that's cool. I don't know. That guy wasn't even there, was he?
No, that's why he was last, and that's why someone had to pick for him.
No, it was that other
Yes.
guy.
Didn't
Can't
show
remember.
up.
You know I'm bad with names.
Omni Skelly. We got Skelly times 2.
Macho Man or something. Yeah, something along those lines.
Macho Man.
Yeah, no, it's not Macho Man, but it's something along those lines.
Wasn't that a wrestler?
The Macho Man, Randy Savage.
Mm.
Who was your favorite wrestler?
Operator. Giant Jean Ferret.
Who?
Giant Jean Ferret. I think he was from Quebec.
I don't even know if I've ever heard of that one.
Yeah, it was in the early days. Very famous.
What was the early days?
Well, when I was, I guess, a teenager, so you're talking 1980, early 80s.
Yeah, B says Ric Flair, baby. I like Ric Flair. Trying to find some of his skits to put on stream.
Okay, well, since there's not a lot of people, I'm going to try something. I like to try things. We're going to make the ball size
Now,
10.
since ERB likes Ric Flair, also now I got to find some skits to put on the stream.
Breakout health 4. Time
Got to
scale
do a big woo. Woo!
4. Can you do a woo woo? Peg size. Those are some small pegs. Let's make them white so we can see them. How about we don't see them? How about we don't see the pegs? 70 and 70. I have no idea what this is going to do, but let's change the tilt. Let's make it easy for you guys because it's going to be hard to get there.
Ric Flair definitely always kept it interesting.
Okay, I'm just going to run one warm-up just to see if it even works. I made a couple of changes in the settings. Okay, let's just check there. Skelly gets 2 balls. Skelly, and Skelly 2. Omnius gets 2 balls, although he can't win because he typed it in before also. And then we got ERB, who's a market maker, Smooth Operator, and Starboy. Really? We're running this for like 3 people? Sure, okay. Save and apply. It does say warm up on my thing. It does. Let's see what this looks like.
You got Skeletor?
Wow, the balls are still much bigger than I thought. I think there's a minimum on the...
Oh, that's what she said.
This doesn't make sense. It's going... It seems like it's going through. Peg size. Really? That's all the pegs there are? I thought there was more pegs than that.
Mhm. Came all the way back down again, huh?
Yeah.
Weird. It doesn't really feel like it's moving, but then we have these huge moves.
Yeah, quick ones.
141 points in what? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 minutes.
Okay, we play. I get rid of the warm-up message. Excuse me. There is no longer a warm-up message, and we will enlarge the game.
Oh, look at that. Sharing your screen looks pretty good with the elves. My kids were like, why don't you have an elf on your stream? So we woke up yesterday. We were so unprepared, right? The kids wake up bright-eyed and bushy-tailed, and they're like, what about this? And what about this? And what about this? And what about this? It's December 1st. Like, what does that mean?
Macho Man. Yeah, I remember.
Help me out. What does that mean? And they're like, well, the elf comes today, and this happens, and this happens. Look at the wife, and you can see that. Like, okay, yeah. I'm sure all that happened. Let's start looking. So we're scrambling around the house trying to figure everything out.
Do you want to take a moment and just capture this part of the screen, and then make, like use Alt to crop? So, you know what I mean? So you can crop away the double cameras from my stream, the bottom, the top. Just do some cropping. You want to do that or no?
Can't do that.
No.
How do you do that? Crop what? What am I cropping?
Crop it. Well, you're capturing something. I guess you're capturing the browser. So just crop it. Bring it in a little tighter. Move the line over so you're not recapturing the camera. Oh,
What
but okay,
camera?
you do it that way. The camera,
That's
me
too
and
much
you.
work. I just play
Yeah.
a video. Then we get a video in there also.
Yeah, you got the video. Okay, sounds good. Ready to go?
Hold on. Play a different video. We always watch that one. There we go. That's better already. Look at that.
We're bouncing off previous day's high and view up again.
Too bad we can't hear the song.
What time is it? 11:18. Yeah, let's go. What's the time? What's the speed? Hold on. Speed. Oof, a little too fast. I don't know what to do. We'll see. Whatever it is what it is. Fuck off. Fire. We're going.
There's elves on the stream.
Little balls. Little pegs. It's going to be hard to get through, but I'm helping you guys with gravity. I put the gravity off to the...
I wonder if you could set up, make it random, little balls and big balls.
that would be funny. You can do anything you want. That's the cool thing. This is going to be hard to win this one. There's so many pegs, it's going to be very hard to get over to the right side. But I think I am going to change it. I think if you get stopped out...
It was Madman.
I like the other game there where you get stopped out and you come out again. You still shoot out of the gun again. I like that feature.
Oh, I think he's saying that he was playing for Madman. Yeah, Madman Antonio. That was it. Yeah.
Madman Antonio. That's it. Yeah,
That was it.
he's right. We got Omnius, Futures, Skeletor, Smooth Operator, and Starboy still hanging around. Skeletor is going to make a flyby over the winner's pit. It doesn't do more than that. Starboy and Smooth Operator are stuck trying to navigate their way through all the pegs. Skeletor 2 just got stopped out. Starboy found his way over onto the right side of the board. If he can just work through the pegs. Futures. Hey, you know what?
Run it again. Oh, you already started?
Yeah. Problem is, if I set it that the stop loss shoots back out, then we can never have that special where if everyone stops out, everybody wins.
Why does it look like there's like 1,000 pegs? I think you're right through them.
I wanted to try it. I wanted to try it. Smooth operator. That's what I said. It's very difficult. Hey, Skeletor! He gets it. I wanted to try. It's going to be very difficult to get over. But I put the gravity to the right side, strong to the right side. So the game is always pushing you to the right. So I kind of made it. If I were to put the gravity to the left plus all those pegs, nobody would win. Okay, so it's 11:21. Skelly, you got the win. Good job. Good game. And I think we're going to cut it here because I have a lot of work I got to do. And we're going to be back on at 1:30. So I'm going to say...
What are we talking about?
My goodbyes. Bullinox. A deep dive into Bullinox. The ins, the outs, the highs, the lows, the good, the bad. Everything.
I don't know how much homework I did. I might just follow your lead.
Yeah. Well, I didn't do any either. That's why I'm hanging up now. That's why I'm hanging up the mic now. I'm gonna...
ERB, what's your thoughts on Bullinox? You trade with them? If you have or you do, and you had to rate them 1 to 10. We got to do a 1 to 10 for now. The 5 rating was kind of messed up.
Is that what we did with Apex? We gave it a 5. Yeah,
I gave it a 2.8, and you were like, "Why is it so low?" Like,
yeah,
it's not really low.
10
it's
is
like,
better.
It's above. That's about average.
Yeah, you know what? Forget even 10 because every point is 10%. 100 out of 100. Give it a rating out of 100.
1 to 10.
Because that's what everyone converts it to anyways. Everyone eventually converts. If you say 7 out of 10, everyone goes, okay, you gave him a 70%. That's what we're doing in our mind anyway, so let's save people the brain power.
Nah. I say 1 to 10. You could even do a 7.5.
You rate them 1 to 10, and I'll convert it to 100.
ERB never traded with them. Okay.
Really?
I mean, they're a good firm. I like them. They're still one of my top favorites.
Oh, well, you got an account with them, eh? ERB? So, yeah, you don't even have to.
Now.
You don't have to use that coupon code right away. Hey, maybe you can save it for after New Year's. The coupon code is good till June or July 2026. And since they're going to bill you at full price on the rebill if you haven't passed, you basically want to give yourself a good month to trade when you have time. So if you haven't, if it's just dormant, don't leave your account dormant. Just use the code. If it's not too late, just use the code at the right moment.
So you don't have to use it right away?
No, you don't have to use it right away.
Oh, well.
And they're the ones that start the clock ticking. Yeah, maybe we should be clear about that also. Give better information when we. Okay, let me close down the WebSocket server. Deal me in is closed.
TRB, appreciate you. Everybody else?
Excuse me for the clearing of the throat again.
Appreciate
guys.
You. Lurkers, appreciate you.
Thanks for hanging out. Appreciate you.
Guys, if you would, hit the thumbs up on the way out.
No, I thought you were going to say Mike. I appreciate you.
Mike? What was I going to say again?
I appreciate
Guys, what was I going to say?
I can't remember. Okay, guys, thanks for hanging out. Hopefully we'll see you at 1:30. We're doing a deep dive on Bullinox, everything Bullinox. That's our second one on the prop firms. We'll try to get through all the prop firms, or we'll try to get through many of the prop firms. That's a much better sentence. Hey, Omnius is getting hearts again. And
Mike, appreciate you. You the man. Where you at?
Yeah.
You the man.
And that's it. We'll see you tonight at
Mike, does it make you uncomfortable when I point my finger at you like
that? No, it doesn't. It brought warmth to my heart. Ow.
Later, guys. Appreciate all of it.
Later, guys. See you at 1:30. Bye.